TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here, the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour and the author of The Opening Call daily newsletter, doing the TFNN.com noon update. Dow's up 204, and this time we're talking about 27,065. This is a big deal because it's right at that. It's in fact now a little bit above that trend line that I was talking to you. That is the resistance. So this is a very important moment because you haven't got everything in sync. If you look, the S&P, while it's up, the Dow is up 200. The S&P is only up 8. It should be up 20. And it too is starting to bump into resistance. You can see in the weekly chart, there's a resistance area here, but the technicals are still good. So that is very nice. And if you look at the QQQ, the index 100, it was a little weaker. Now it's come back a little bit, but it's still only up 0.37%, up 70 cents at 193.26. There's a lot of resistance in this 193s. A break into the 194, it really be very important. I might have to renotate this. Meantime, we're looking at the MACD and stochastic and the daily very strong, and so is the weekly. And if you look at the IWM, which has been the weakest index all day, down 0.33%, down 51 cents at 155.14, this is kind of struggling. And this dichotomy is going to be something we'll talk about in my show coming up. Meantime, back at the ranch, gold had a very nice early morning pop to the upside, ran to 1429.5. Now it's trading at 1414.2. Not bad, but it's stuck in that. You remember the rectangle formation? I said, looking at prices in a rectangle formation, they can last a lot longer in this sideways trading band than one's patience. Look at the dollar. This is also quite interesting. The dollar's only down 13 pips right now at 97. It has gone underneath that inside track repellent zone and went above it for 2 sessions, and then plop yesterday went underneath it because of what the Fed said about rates. And now what we're looking at is it's really important for the dollar to hold 96.50 support over the next 2-3 days. It's at 96.99 right now in a digestive phase, and crude oil actually had a nice pop to the upside. It's up 33 cents now. It broke out, and it did make that leg D we were looking for in the crude oil in the daily chart. I'll be right back. We'll talk more about this in a moment. Basil Chapman signing off for now. I hope to see you back in a few minutes. Otherwise, tomorrow at this time. Have a great day.